What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to use a green screen in OBS.
Trapped in the concept, falsely accused, misused, and misled, bitch. I'm hoping you fucking rest in peace.
Okay, so bear with me here. I got to look this way because my other monitor has the OBS on it. I'm going to have it up just to show you exactly what I'm doing here. I have my input here. This is my Elgato. But what you want to do is you want to go here, go to filters. That's going to bring in a really big picture of your face. But what you want to do is you want to add a filter called crop, and see, without it, you can see my whole background and everything else. I have a makeshift green screen put up here. You turn that off and see my green screen. But anyway, you want to do crop and just kind of mess with it and get the best that you can get. If you change these values here, it'll bring it in from each direction that you put. And then what you want to do is you want to add a chroma key, which is right here. And the first one we're going to add, we're going to take the similarity. You want to get it as close as possible to completely blacken out the green screen. You see how I have fuzzies all around me here and around my hat and all that. That's okay, because the second chroma key we're going to put in is going to really take that down. These are my settings, and it all comes down to lighting. Like this, I have a light facing right at me, and like you can see my hand gets really bright. And then I have a light behind me also that lights up the green screen, so I have backlighting. And you want to take your second chroma key and just kind of dial it in to where it gets as close around your face as you can. And that's pretty much it. If you see that you're really red, like in the face, or if the background kind of does that, just adjust this here until it disappears. Forgot what my settings were. There you go. And or take the red out of your face. Like sometimes it'll make you look alcoholic, and we don't like looking like alcoholics. But anyway, that's how you get your green screen to go out in OBS, and pretty simple. If y'all want a video of how to make a cheap and cost-effective green screen that works, let me know in the comments below, and drop a like and all that, and I may just upload a green screen how-to. Thanks.
Is it too much to ask for? Yeah. Can I put my lips on your skin, babe?